Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise the concept is ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion. What is ratio? We know that the ratio of two quantities of the same kind in the same units is the fraction that one quantity is of the other. What is the definition of ratio, Nana? The ratio of two quantities of the same kind in the same units is the fraction that one quantity is of the other. Now see, while we are going to compare two quantities, okay na, while we are going to compare two quantities, they should be in the same kind of units. Okay, for example, I taken like this: 225 grams and 30 kg. So I taken the two quantities here. The person A, okay na, the person having the weight of a particular object 225 grams, and with another person B, the particular object, the weight is 30 kg. You just observe these two quantities. What are the units? Ikkada units ఏంటమ్మా?
Grams.
The units are grams. Here what are the units? Units are kilograms. So clearly units are not same. Okay, so that's why I'm going to convert kilograms into grams. We know that 1 kilogram, that is 1 kg, is equals to 1000 grams. Yes, now we can write 30 kg is equals to, that is 30 into 1000 grams, that is equals to 30,000 grams. Okay, now clearly 200 A by B, that is equals to, we can write 225 by 30,000 grams. While we are comparing the two quantities with the same kind of units unte mana ratio lo rayachu. Okay, but a ratio has no units. We can write it as 225 is to 30,000. Okay na, we can write like this. For example, I am taking the another situation. The ages of Srinivas and Joshit. Okay, now are given 28 months and okay, first I written Srinivas na
Years.
28 years and 20. Okay, now observe these two ages. Here the units are years, the units are months. Okay na, ikkada units vachesi entama years, ikkada units vachesi enti months. So we can change years into months because of 1 year is equals to 12 months. 1 year is equals to what? 12 months. Then we can write 28 years is equals to, that is 28 into 12. 28 into 12. So we get a 280 plus 336 months. Then clearly 336 months and 25 months, so units are same, so we can compare the ratio. How we can compare the ratio? Like this: Srinu East Joshi is equals to, that is 336 is to 25. So we can write like this. So I taken two examples. You try to understand the situations. Okay, now the ratio of two quantities of the same kind in the same units, okay na, is the fraction. అంటే టూ క్వాంటిటీస్ని కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు అవి కంపల్సరీ సేమ్ యూనిట్స్ ఉండాలి, ఓకేనా. సో అదర్వైజ్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్ వీ కెన్ convert them into same units, otherwise the ratio is not possible. Okay, now let us see some example problems. The ratio between 75 grams and 2 kg. The ratio between 75 grams and 2 kg. Now see Nana, clearly units are not same. Here grams, here kilograms. So that's why I'm going to convert kilograms into grams. Then see here, 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. Okay, 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. Then 2 kg is equals to what?
2000.
That is equals to 2 into 1000 grams. 2 into 1000 means that is 2000 grams. Now what I am doing, see here, 75 grams by 2000 grams. Because of 75 grams means we can write it as 75 grams only. 2 kg means in the place of 2 kg we can write 2000 grams. Now grams cancel. Okay, see here, 75 by 2000. Okay, so if I want to write the ratio form, it is a fraction form actually. ఇది fraction form లో ఉంది. Yes, దీన్ని యాజ్ యూజువల్గా రేషియో ఫామ్లో ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? We can write it as 75 is to 2000. 75 is to 2000, but I am going to write the ratio in its simplest form. ఏ ఫామ్లో రాయాలనుకుంటున్నా? సింప్లెస్ట్ ఫామ్ ఆర్ లోయెస్ట్ టర్మ్స్లో రాయాలి. సో ఇలా రాయాలి అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వీ షుడ్ ఫైండ్ ద HCF. ఓకేనా, షుడ్ ఫైండ్ ద హైయెస్ట్ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్, ఆర్ వీ కెన్ కంటిన్యూ అవర్ డివిజన్ కూడా కంటిన్యూషన్ చేయొచ్చు. సి హియర్, unit digit is 5, unit digit is 0, then divisibility rule 5 is applicable here. 5 15s are 75, 5 4s are 20, cancel 2 zeros, write 2 zeros. Then 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 40, cancel 0, write here. Okay, now clearly 3 by 80, so cancellation is not possible. Then we can write the simplest form of this ratio. అంటే 75 ఈస్ట్ 2000ని మనం ఎలా రాయొచ్చున్నాను? that is 3:80. Okay. See one more example here. See one more example. The ratio between 65 centimeter and 1 meter. Okay. What is the next one? The ratio between 65 centimeter and 1 meter. ఇక్కడ టూ క్వాంటిటీస్ని కంపేర్ చేస్తుంటే you must observe the units. What are the given units for the two quantities?
Centimeter, meter.
For the first one, units are centimeters. For second quantity, the units are meters. Clearly, centimeters, meters are not same, but it is chance to convert meters into centimeters. We know that 1 meter is equal to, that is 100 centimeter. Okay. Now we can write 65 centimeter by 1 meter, that is equals to 65 centimeter by 100 centimeter. Yes or no? Then ఎలా రాయొచ్చు మనం 65 centimeter as usually 1 meter means that is 100 centimeter. So centimeter cancel because of a ratio has no units. Now 65 by 100. So you can continue the division. You can use 5 table here to cancel this. 5 13s are 65, 5 2s are 10, cancel 0, 5. Okay, so 13 20. So clearly division is not possible. That's why you can write it as 13 by 20. The simplest form of this ratio is 13:20. Okay now? So like this, you to take the different quantities with the same kind of units. Okay, thank you.